UV editing and UV mapping and UV unwrapping are complicated concepts for most beginning 3D artists and 3D modelers. So we're going to jump right in and just learn by doing. I think that's the most effective and the easiest way to get this concept across. So let's start. Create a new scene in Blender. Get a simple cube up and loaded. And I want you to, at the top of your screen, switch from layout to UV editing mode. And when you switch to UV editing mode, you're going to see a different arrangement of your screen. On the left, you're going to see this kind of grid-like design. On the right, you're going to see your object. So this is your full scene. It's just like before. It's kind of rearranged our workspace here to give us a look at the UVs. Now there's no UVs displayed yet because we don't have anything selected over here. So I want to make sure you're in edit mode and make sure you're in faces mode. And then come over here and you can either drag a box around your cube or you can simply press the A key to select all. And when you do that, the left side populates now with this wireframe lattice that is what I kind of refer to as the Papercraft version of your cube. It's opened up and it's laid out almost like like a map of the world, like those globes that you see fanned out, or like if you ever to unwrap like the skin of an orange, how it lays flat, right? So when we're thinking about UV unwrapping, it is the U and V coordinates on a 2D plane that then get mapped to a 3D object. So what we see over here, if I'm going to select some faces, corresponds to these faces over on our cube. Without turning it, I'm only selecting these three, but if I turn it, I can get the other faces here. Pressing A key once again selects all of them. So that way you have kind of this mental translation of what's going on here, is that each of these faces laid out is going to then map to our 3D cube over here.